everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these scrunchies. I want to crochet it with rib stitch. This pattern similar knitting rib. Make a slip knot like this. Insert your hook into this yarn. Bring yarn and make slip knot. And chaining. Yarn over, bring yarn, make chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made 10 chains. Skip this chain. Go to next chain. Insert your hook into this chain. Yarn over. Make a loop. Take this loop on your hook. Go to next chain. Yarn over. Bring yarn and make a loop. Take these loops on your hook. Go to next chain. Yarn over. Make one loop. Make one loop in each chain. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 1, 2 yarns, 2 loops. Yarn over, 1, 2 yarns, this yarn and this. Yarn over, 2 yarns. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Go to this stitch. This is first stitch. Go to this is first stitch. Go to second stitch. This stitch. This is second stitch. Insert your hook between these yarns. These yarns look like. Yarn over, make one loop. Go to between these yarns. Make a loop. Make a loop. In last stitch, Insert your hook. Look like. Take 2 yarns on your hook, yarn over and bring yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is first chain. Go to second chain, insert your hook into second chain, going to next chain, between yarns, go to between of these yarns. In last stitch, insert your hook back of these yarns. Take 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, bring yarn and yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, pull through, pull through. This is first stitch. Go to second stitch between these yarns, make a loop and repeat these rows. Take these loops on your hook, pull through, pull through, pull through,